Welcome to today's featured car video, and it is a 1967 Dodge Charger in this great silver blue color with the dark blue bucket seat interior. If you notice, it has bucket seats in the front and in the rear with center consoles on both, which is a nice touch. I don't know what size engine it had because there was no call out on the fender, so we'll assume it probably had the base 318 engine. Although you could get up to this is the first year you could get the 440 engine, and including last year 1966 models, you could get the Hemi engine, the 426 Hemi, which was also available on this car. This one probably does not have it because there's no call out on the fender, which I imagine it would have if it was indeed a Hemi. And since the hood wasn't open, I couldn't tell, and I forgot to check the VIN. As far as production numbers go, they built 15,788 of these in 1967. And the base price on them was $3,128. And they had a 117-inch wheelbase. Overall length was 203.6 inches. Width was 75.8 inches. And the front track was 59.5 inches. The rear track was 58.5 inches. The shipping weight was 3,480 pounds. So that was about average for a car back in the mid-60s. And as far as the production numbers for the 2 years, in 1966, they sold 37,344. And then, like I said, 1967, they sold 15,788 of them. And when they went to the 1968 model, which was a redesign, that one really took off. The sales went up to 96,100 for 1968. But anyway, this is a real nice car. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a standout. And you really don't see these hardly at all anymore. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.